Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lucy and I help make learning English simple and fun. Today, we're diving into a topic that can sometimes feel a bit tricky for beginners. Irregular verbs. But don't worry, I'm going to break it down in a super easy way, and by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident. So, what are irregular verbs? Most verbs in English are regular. That means to make them past tense. You just add ed at the end. For example, walk becomes walked and play becomes played. Easy, right? Irregular verbs are the rebels of the English language. They don't follow this rule. Instead, they change in unique ways, and we just have to memorize their special forms. It might sound like a lot to learn, but there's a secret. We can group them into categories to make them easier to remember. And today, we're starting with the absolute easiest category, the verbs that don't change at all. That's right. For these verbs, the infinitive, the past simple, and the past participle forms are all exactly the same. How cool is that? This is a great place to start your irregular verb journey. Let's look at our first group. The first verb is put. I put my keys on the table every day. Yesterday, I put my keys on the table. I have put my keys on the table. See? Put. It never changes. It's the same for cut. Please cut the cake. Yesterday, she cut the cake. I have already cut the cake. Cut. Next up, we have let. My parents let me go to the movies. Last weekend, they let me stay out late. Let. Another one is hit. Be careful not to hit your head. The baseball player hit the ball. Hit. Simple. Let's keep going. The verb hurt. I hope I don't hurt myself. I hurt my arm yesterday. She was sad because he had hurt her feelings. Hurt. It's a very common one, so it's good to know. How about money? The verb is cost. How much does this cost? My new phone cost a lot of money. It has cost me a fortune to fix this car. Cost. It stays the same no matter the tense. A few more for our list. Set. We need to set the table for dinner. Yesterday, he set a new record. They have set up the equipment. Set, and shut. Please shut the door. He shut the window because it was cold. Shut. Are you getting the hang of it? Let's do two more. The verb quit. He wants to quit his job. She quit smoking last year. Quit. And finally, spread. I spread butter on my toast every morning. The news spread quickly through the town. Spread. So let's do a quick recap of the verbs we learned today, where all three forms are identical. We have put, cut, let, hit, hurt, cost, set, shut, quit, and spread. 10 super easy verbs to get you started. Now, let's practice with a few more sentences so you can see them in real situations. Try to repeat them after me. I cut the paper yesterday. This book cost $15 last year. She hurt her ankle during the game. He put the groceries on the counter. The company quit the project. We set the alarm for 6 a.m. The key to mastering these is practice, practice, practice. Try to make your own sentences using these verbs. Write them down in a notebook or say them out loud. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. You can start by describing your day. What did you put somewhere? Did you cut something for dinner? That's all for our first lesson on irregular verbs. We started with the easiest ones to build your confidence. In our next video, we'll tackle another category that has a simple pattern. So if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!